Always nice to have themes for something important in your life. Unlike fashion clothes or your new phone that changes easily every season, the theme in your home will probably stay. Instead of going through a massive renovation, generally people refloor their homes. We understand your concern. Will these new floors match my current theme? You no longer have to worry about your home looking like mismatched items placed together. We will personally ensure your home and theme will stay intact and bring your home to a whole new aesthetic level.
Created using Powtoon.